Alright, wait, going this way. Hey everybody, welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. Just wanted to do a really quick video, give a shout out to a few channels out there that are doing some things for Black Friday. Like to show a little support for them. I'm broke this point of the year, so I will not be purchasing, but I'll definitely be, checking out some of these sales. So first we got, I believe, what is it, State 48 Exotics. They got a few ball pythons on sale for their Black Friday sale, so go ahead and check them out. They get 25% off, I believe that's what they said, yeah. And then we got TGH, yeah, the TGH Family has got a Black Friday auction happening on Friday at 5 p.m. Pacific time. So they're going to be putting up a lot of snakes. Snake Morphology is going to be putting up a mass majority of the snakes, it sounds like. And I think ZTK is putting in some snakes, if I remember seeing correctly. I could be really wrong on that one, but I think that's the case. So head on over there, check out TGH Black Friday auction happening 5 p.m. Pacific time today. So check them out. Go ahead and subscribe to them so you can and ring that bell thingy so you get notified when that starts to kick off. I think they're gonna put a link out for me to add, but if not, just seriously just go subscribe and you'll get the notification. You'll see when it starts kicking off. So yeah, and I do believe that last I have is the Royal Constrictor is having a Black Friday sale. So go ahead and check them out as well. I believe that is what they are called. Let me just go and check on my thing over here just to be sure. The Royal the Royal Constrictor on YouTube. That is what they are called, and I believe I saw that they were having some type of Black Friday deal going on there. So please go check them out. Subscribe to all of them. You definitely show support to all the channels. By the way, this is Zeus hanging out with us today. My own BP. Yeah. Free boy, just chilling like a villain on the day after Thanksgiving, recovering from that food coma. I hope you all had a really great Thanksgiving with your families. I hope you guys had a safe trip back to where you were coming from or going to, or if you're still there, I hope you get safely where you want to be. So yeah, check out all those places, check out those auctions. If you are thinking about getting your first reptile, auctions and Black Friday sales are the best way to go, because you're going to find some really quality snakes out there for some really decent prices, like way cheaper than you'd find them any other time. So definitely check out all the sales. If I see some more as the day goes along, I'll just go ahead and post a part 2 and give a shout out to those as well. Like, I've just not really been following nearly as many YouTube channels and who's all doing Black Friday sales as I would like to, but yeah, there's a few for you, so go check them out. I'll go ahead and post the links to their YouTube so that you can subscribe to them and stay posted and stay up to date on what's happening in that world. So yeah, alright, y'all take care, and happy day after Thanksgiving, and because that's even better than Thanksgiving in my opinion. But yeah, alright, y'all take care, much love, stay safe, stay healthy, stay positive, look out for each other, and just keep on keeping on, y'all. Alright. Oh, can't stop it. How do I stop it? Can't stop it.